covered yet. Chemistry was probably just like one day. So let's go over the periodic table of elements really quick. We got rock, fire, water, and milk. Done. Let's go fight the French.